Today see about addition sums for kids following 5. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equal to what? First for 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Then 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Then 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Then 10 plus 5 equal to 15. 15 plus 6 equal to 21. 21 plus 7 equal to 28. 28 plus 8 equal to 36. 36 plus 9 equal to 45. So correct answer for 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equal to correct answer for 45. 45 is a correct answer. Any doubt, comment. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, share, comment, then subscribe our channel.